In this video, we will solve some of the problem related to the length of the belt in the belt drive. Okay. In the previous two videos, we derived an expression for the length of the belt. In one video, we derived for open belt drive what is the length derivation, and in one more video, we derived the length equation for cross belt drive here. Okay. So today we will solve some of the problem here. First, I'll read the problem here. So find the length of the belt. We need to find out the length of the belt necessary to drive a pulley of 500 mm diameter. It means this is the follower. You want to drive a pulley. You want to drive a pulley of 500 mm diameter. So running parallel to a distance of 12 meter. So what is 12 meter here? It is a distance. Center distance is given from driver pulley to driven pulley. What is the center distance? From the driving pulley of diameter 1600 mm. It means the driver pulley, this is the driver pulley, its diameter is 1600 mm, and the driven pulley, its diameter is 500 mm. I'll give the here, if it is open belt drive, this is the driver and this is the driven. So here the distance between the two pulleys is given, that is 12 meter. This will be normally we are denoted by L, and this diameter 1600 mm, that is D1 he is given, the bigger pulley, and the second one he is given 500 mm, that is driven pulley. This is D2 equal to 500 mm is given. So you need to find out what is the total length of the belt required here. But in the problem, he is not given whether it is a open belt drive or cross belt drive. Okay. So we will find out the length for both. So then we will compare what is the difference in the length we will get in both the drives here. Okay. First, we'll go the data here. So as you know that the length we need to find out how much here. So diameter of the smaller pulley D2 500 mm. Convert this into meter. That is 500 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is the diameter, and the radius of that one is divided by 2. So if you simplify this one, we will get here this is 0.5. 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25. 0.25 meter we will get here. Okay. So this is smaller pulley. Next, the 12 meter. Already the distance, this is L, the distance between centers 12 meter is given, and the bigger diameter 1600. This is 1600. So D1 equal to 1600 mm. Convert that into meters. This is in meters, 10 raised to minus 3. If you want the radius, divided by 2, and this will be, after simplification we will get this minus 3 means here 1.6 divided by 2, that is 0.8. This is 0.8 meter. Okay. So this is his given. So now first I'll consider, in first case I'll consider the open belt drive. Okay. Open belt drive, and we will find out the length here. For open belt drive, what is the formula for length here? We derived already before. That is, just I'll write here pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2 times the center distance between the pulleys plus R1 minus R2 divided by whole square divided by L here. This is for open belt drive. What is R1 and R2? This is D1 and R1. This is D2 and R2. Okay, radius 2. Substitute the given value and find out the length of the open belt drive. This is pi into radius of the bigger pulley is 0.8. 0.8 minus radius of the smaller pulley R2 is 0.25 plus, this is plus here, plus 2 times, what is the length here? The distance between centers is 12 meter. That is 12 plus Next, R1 is radius of the bigger pulley is 0.8 minus 0.25 whole square divided by the distance between pulleys are 12 meter here. Okay. Why I converted all in meters? Because length is given in meters. Okay, length in meters. All are in only one dimension, so that's why I converted the radius into the meters here. Now simplify this one. After simplification, we will get the answer is 27.39. This is in meters. This is also in meters. Okay. This is the first case. If you open the if you use the open belt drive like this. Okay. This is 27.32 we will get. Okay. That is for open belt drive. Now for case B, I'll open cross belt drive. Cross belt drive. So what is the formula for cross belt drive? Now just I'll go for cross belt drive. Case B, cross belt drive. How is the cross belt drive here? The driver is there, driven is there, and the belt is passing in the crossway. So this is D1 and R1. This is D2 and R2, and the center distance between the centers are L here. Okay. So now I'll write the formula for this one. So what is the formula for the length of the cross belt drive? That is L equal to same. Everything is same for open belt drive. We derived here. Only the change is here. This is for open. For cross belt drive, here plus it will come here. Instead of minus, the plus will come. So that I will write here. Okay. That I will write. Pi into R1 plus R2. This is same as before. Plus 2 times L. This is also same. Plus this is R1 plus R2 whole square divided by L here. This is only the sign changes. You need to remember. Now substitute the values. So here this will be equal to pi into R1 is 0.8. R1 is 0.8 plus 0.25 plus 2 times the center distance is given the 12 meter plus R1 is the 0.8 plus 0.25 whole square divided by the 12. Okay. Now simplify these things. We will get the answer is 27.39 meter. That is length. Now can you find the difference between the if you use the open belt drive? For open belt drive, we need the length is the total length of the belt is 27.32, right? Before 32 meter. But for cross belt drive, we need the length is 27.39 meter. Okay. So depending upon the application and depending upon the need, we can use whether we need the open belt drive or cross belt drive. Because in the problem he is not given. Okay.